What is the primary function of a database snapshot? The options are A, to set up continuous data replication, B, to generate an alias for an object, C, to establish a new physical storage container, or D, to take a point-in-time copy of a database.
To think about this, consider how database administrators manage data integrity and history. We often need mechanisms to capture the state of a system at a specific moment without necessarily duplicating the entire production database infrastructure. Understanding what a snapshot provides in terms of data availability and state management is key to answering this. I believe the correct answer is D, to take a point-in-time copy of a database. A database snapshot functions as a read-only, static image of your database as it exists at a specific moment. This is essential for scenarios like reporting, testing, or auditing, where you need to reference data exactly as it was at a certain time.
Why are the others incorrect? Option A describes replication or mirroring, which keeps a continuous, synchronized copy rather than a static snapshot. Option B refers to database synonyms, which are essentially aliases for database objects. Finally, option C refers to table spaces, which are logical storage structures used for organizing data, not snapshots. A helpful exam tip is to always associate the term snapshot with a static state.